Good morning. it's it is 5:37 right now in the morning. I'm in LAX. I'm flying to Honolulu and then another drop off in Guam before heading to the Philippines. This is actually my first international flight before the pandemic started. So I'm boarding at 8:18. No contact at all. We have to scan. We have to scan our own barcodes in the scanner. And here we are lining up.
All that popped up, so you see that?
We're lining up.
I'll be good. I need to sit down. Take your time.
And secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exit the aircraft.
On arrival in Hawaii, we have to do a QR thing. So we're filling it out. And then I think I'm good to go. I have to do this before I transit going to Guam. I am heading to my gate now. A very nice lady assisted me with my QR code. Because you need to have a QR code when you are in Hawaii. So that's very nice of her. Everyone is friendly. So I'm heading to G1. That's my gate. This is my gate. G1, I'm here. I need to use the restroom. And this is my second trip. This one is from Hawaii to Guam. And then we will be in Guam for another 40 minutes before finally heading to the Philippines. So, we'll see. Okay, later guys. We just landed in Guam and we're going to the next gate for my connecting flight going to the Philippines. Waiting for my next flight. This one is going to the Philippines. We are required to wear a We are currently in Guam and we are getting ready for a connecting flight to Manila.
Ng United biyahe bilang isa, walo, tatlo na may diretso serbisyo patungong Pilipinas. Yan sa negosyo ng industriya, yung mga dalang bagahe, kailangan itago maigi sa ilalang upo na sa inyong harapan o kaya po sa mga opening to overhead compartments. On behalf of United Airlines, your Starlines partners, and most especially your in-flight crew, we would like to thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We hope you've had a pleasant experience. We look forward to serving you again on another United flight. Have a good night. Your cell phones are now permitted. Thank you.
It's really hot in here. So, passport is ready. I think someone is going to give us forms to fill out. Welcome to my quarantine room. I'm staying in New World Makati. So this is the door, and as soon as you enter, you have this little hallway here. It is a mirror. That one. Left side is this one with hangers and 2 bathrobes. Let's have this and a safe and sleepers, of course, plus iron and iron board. On my right side is my bathroom. Here I have a toilet. We have a walk-in shower here. It's a walk-in shower. And then it's me. Hi. It's a lavatory. This one. That way, then we have a bathtub here. It's pretty nice. And I'm gonna show you the room. It's my room. It's pretty neat. This is a king size bed. Here's a TV. Well, I don't really watch TV that much, but sure. And yeah, this is my room. It's pretty neat. I have a view of Makati here. After self-check-in. Printed it, and that's my flight. Ayun mo, boss.
Lahat niyo, ma'am.
Ilain ko?
Iba na lang.
Ayun pala.
Nag-print na eh. Wala na. Pag pini-enter ko, nag-invalid siya. Kayain nyo lang sir, ibig sabihin mali yung na-type nyo, kaya lang yung valid.
It's loading.
Kailangan sumama.
Loading, loading, loading. Well, it's almost 2 hours later, and I'm still here. I'm not checked in yet. So, it's crazy. I'm tired now. I'm good. I made it. Finally, I'm heading to my gate. Oh my god. This is crazy. I hope I'm not late. Trying to catch up. I barely made it to the bus. Here. Oh. Inside the plane now. This is a new airport, by the way.
Yun pa mo. Yun. Pakbag ng socks. Ito rin ako.